Good morning, students. In today's topic, we will learn to determine molality of a solution whose molarity is given. Clear? So this was the question. We read it yesterday. Question is the density of 3m. 3m means 3 molar. Solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram milliliter inverse. Calculate the molality of the solution. Formula of molality is Wb, given mass of the solute, Mb, molar mass of the solute, and Wa is the mass of solvent. Clear? Now in our question, it's not given, but 3m is given. So beta 3m means 3 moles. 3m means 3 is the molarity of the solution. So how it is formed? It is formed when 3 moles of solute is dissolved in 1000 ml of solution. We all know that formula of molarity is moles per volume of the solution. So we will write 3m means 3 moles of solute in 1000 ml of solution. If 2m is given, we will write 2 moles. Clear? So in question, what is given now? From 3m we come to a conclusion that what is 3? 3 is the moles. Now that means Wb upon Mb. It is moles. So in place of Wb and Mb, we can write like this: Nb into 1000 upon Wa. And what is given? Nb 3. Clear? So in our question, Nb is 3. Now, what is the volume of solution? It's 1000 ml. We know density of solution is equal to mass of solution upon volume. So, it's not percentage. Okay? So, we have to calculate the mass of the solution. M is the mass of solution. Mass of solution is equal to density into volume. Density is 1.25 and volume is 1000. So it comes out to be 1250 gram. So mass of solution is 1250 gram. We all know that mass of solution is equal to solute plus solvent, right? We know that number of moles is equal to Wb upon Mb, and here solute is NaCl. The molar mass of NaCl is 58.5. We have calculated. So Nb is 3, Mb we know, so we can calculate Wb. Okay, from this way Wb is 175.5 gram. So solvent mass we know, we have calculated, it's 1250. Sorry, solution mass we have calculated, it's 1250. For solute it's 175.5. From this formula we will calculate the mass of solvent like this. So it comes out to be this. So now what is this? This is Wa. Clear? So we know Nb 3 and Wa 1074.5. We will solve and our answer will come out. Answer is M is equal to 2.79 m. Clear? So this is the numerical from which we calculate molality when molarity is given, right?